Sweden is pristine, it's clean, it's healthy. It just feels like one in nature here.
Because Sweden is so large with such a small population, there is a lot of nature available to most people. There's lots of areas of Sweden that isn't developed. Particularly like in Gothenburg and Stockholm, you don't have to go that far before you get into the forest. So as a society or as a nation of people, the nature is very close.
So for me to be outside, I get the feeling of freedom, and at the same time I feel really humble, I feel really thankful for this nature and just the peacefulness to be in this nature or a part of nature. So it definitely gives me a feeling of great humbleness, so to say.
Important authentically to tell, the story of pretty places and show beauty, but show how important it is to preserve the beauty of these places. And I think if we can do it in a way that makes sustainability fun, of which it really can be, and to not get hung up and guilty about it, but like, what could you be doing while you're there, and incorporate it in your travel plans so that you're leaving a small footprint, perhaps maybe making it even better.
The best way to experience this is really, as we do now, by bike or just by walking, do a nice hike, or just go out in your kayak and just go paddling. And I think it's so much worth in just every step you take, not using the car and feel like you don't really get all this nice nature. So it's so good to take it in a peaceful way and a really slow and at the same time adventurous travel. So this is what I really like.
We walked, simple, and it was so fulfilling. Just in the course of walking today, it was so full. It was a wonderful day.
You must be careful of the nature. You cannot destroy it. You must think that the country, the land you stand on, the land you're living in, is the land you shall give the next generation and the generation after that also. You just borrow it, you don't own it. It's not how fast you go or you walk, it's the way to the places which can be the best. Yeah. So you must feel, and you must feel everything, use all your minds and have it open.